It's Krishna's thesis. Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma, na sochati, na kanchati. How does the rest of the verse go? Indeed. Mars is always first to quote. Yes. Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma. Prasannatma. Prasanna means something like satisfied. It means something like settled, but it also means joyful. Prabhupada, I believe, uses the word joyful. It means the self, Atman, being joyful. Brahma Bhuta, by being situated in Brahman. The word brahmachari, what does brahmachari actually mean?
Brahman means spiritual and chari means one who follows.
Okay, it also means one who goes. A charin is one who goes. Charity, to go, to move. Brahman, there's no hankering. Lamentation we generally associate with, in terms of time, past, present, and future. Which of these three? Lamentation about the future? Past, indeed. We lament about the past. How do we lament? We lament perhaps something we have done. Perhaps we lament something we have said. Perhaps something we have not done. Something we have not said. Perhaps we lament something we have thought, or something we have not thought. But in any case, we have to do with it. And then kanchana, the hankering, we would naturally associate with the future. Na sochati, na kanchati. So, the past and the future, what we normally do in relation to these two aspects of time, are eliminated. Na sochati, na kanchati. That leaves us with what? The present. Haribol. And so this practice is very much about moving oneself to the present. Now you may have heard some of these, popular self-help people. What's his name? There's one. Eckhart Tolle. They're selling zillions of books about being in the present. Unfortunately, then they go on to tell horribly impersonal philosophy. But some of what they say is in Bhagavad Gita. Unfortunately, there's all the rest. Brahma Bhuta Prasanna Nasocha Vinakam Sama Sarveshu Bhuteshu. Then Sama, being equal in relation to all living beings. Sama Sarveshu Bhuteshu, seeing all others, all beings equally. That is what we say in America is a very tall order. In fact, Krishna even admits that in the 6th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. And he says, Surin Mitra Yudasana, etc. That's the second line. Madhyasta Dvesha. Sadhushvapi Chapapeshu Samabudhir Vishishyate. He says this samabudhi, this being equiposed with respect to nice guys and horrible guys, with friends and enemies, and indifferent people, and sadhus, and sinful, impious people, that is a higher stage. But here in the 18th chapter, Krishna is saying samasardeshu bhuteshu is a prerequisite to what? Madbhakti lavate param. That one can attain param bhakti when one has become free from lamentation, hankering, and when one has an equal vision with respect to all other beings. it's a tall order, and yet I'm suggesting that we can practice it. We can cover it. If we can practice it successfully, then we can experience the real thing. We can actually experience bhakti, and if we can experience bhakti, then there we are. We are home free, so to say. Okay, what I'd like to do now is, let's see, we're going until 6 o'clock. Okay. I'd like to suggest that we reflect on aham kara, I kara, doer. And you might imagine this, or you could do this if you have paper, but you can imagine it, I think, just as well as suggest this in this Sedona method practice. Take a blank sheet of paper and put a dot in the middle of it. Yes, we can imagine this. We don't need to do it, unless you want to do it for memory's sake. The dot will represent this ahamkara. And what we want to do is reflect a little bit in perhaps a slightly unorthodox way about this ahamkara and its dynamics. All of